Sibalom Town, the rice bowl of Antique. Local hero Evelio Villaflor Javier, born on October 31, 1942, died on February 11, 1986, was a Filipino politician known for his role as the governor of Antique province. He stood against President Ferdinand Marcos' dictatorship. His tragic assassination on February 11, 1986 was a significant event that contributed to the People Power Revolution. Leading to Marcos' overthrow, Evelio Javier's brother, Ezequiel Javier, also had a notable political career, serving as congressman and governor in different periods. In 2018, Javier was recognized as a victim of human rights violation during the martial law era by the Human Rights Victims Claims Board. Geography Sibalom is located at 10 degrees 47, 18 north and 122 degrees 0103 east. It is 11 kilometers 6.8 miles from the provincial capital San Jose de Buenavista. According to the Philippine Statistics Authority, the municipality has a land area of 201.30 square kilometers, 77.72 square miles, 5 constituting 7.38% of the 2,729.17 square kilometer, 1,053.74 square miles total area of Antique. Topography. The municipality of Sibalom is a second-class municipality and is one of the 3 interior towns of the province of Antique, Philippines. Sibalom has a total land area of 26,869.73 hectares, of which 83% is considered rolling and mountainous. Culture. The Jose Rizal Monument at the town of Plaza of Sibalom, Antique. Board member Egidio Elio said in an interview, the provincial board will seek the nod of the National Historical Commission of the Philippines, NHCP, to declare the 116-year-old statue as a national landmark and cultural heritage. Buroy Luganay Festival. The celebration of Buroy Luganay Festival in Sibalom, Antique, Philippines symbolizes and represents variety of aspects in the everyday life of the Sibalomnons, focusing on historical, socio-cultural, and economic implications. Tourist attractions. Rafflesia or stinking corpse lily is a genus of parasitic flowering plants in the family of Rafflesiaceae. The species have enormous flowers, the buds rising from the ground or directly from the lower stems of their host plants. One species has the largest flower in the world. Plants of the World Online lists up to 41 species from this genus. All of them are found throughout Southeast Asia. Gems of Sibalom. Sibalom is now well known for its tagline, "Experience the Gems of Sibalom," which means discovering the magnificent ecotourism places and natural wonders of municipality. Visitors and tourists would be able to experience distinctive and natural adventures, natural attractions, pure hospitality, and relish the simple joy from local host populations and accommodations. Sibalom envisions to be the leading ecotourism, wonder, and natural adventure destination in Western Visayas by 2025. Church. Sibalom was founded as a parish in 1737 with Santa Lucia as patron saint. In 1740, it was assigned a priest of its own and having Bugasong as its visita until 1745. In 1745, Bugasong became an independent parish and Sibalom was administered by the priest from Hamtic until 1753. Thank you for watching.